Cast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Ray, Kirk, Josh, Nevin, Aspen, Chris, Jacques, Roberto, Roland. Guys, good morning. Very good morning to you. It is Friday, January 22nd. Chris, good morning. Guys, last day of the week. Victor, good morning. Hope you guys had a great afternoon yesterday after we left the room. It was another Cliff, good morning. Lynn, thank you. It was another terrific trade yesterday. Yes, thank God it is Friday. It was a short week, but nonetheless, a very, very good week. Fred, good morning. If you guys are here on trial for the week, I want to thank you for sitting in. Welcome to the last day of the trial. Paul, good morning. I realized that Monday was a holiday, so it was a 4-day trial. I have sent you all your final email this morning, the trials. There will be no email this afternoon. In any event, guys, we're here. We do have some selling in the Nasdaq today. We've got about 700 sellers right now in the Nasdaq. We do have almost 8,000 net sellers in the ES. Gold also has a fair amount of sellers, almost 4,500, and crude 5,900 net sellers. We do have today crude inventories, but they are at 11. I anticipate being done before crude inventories. We'll see. And we also have natural gas inventories at 10:30. I do not know. I haven't looked. I don't know if we have any other news. For those of you guys that are, we have nothing. Existing home sales at 10 o'clock. Preliminary market PMI at 9:45, nothing. We have no real news. For those of you guys that are unaware, we're obviously into earnings season. Next week is going to be a fun week. Big tech earnings next week. I would anticipate after this fairly extreme market run up that we see a bit of a pullback today. I currently have targets back down at 300. 281, 261, and maybe 240. I don't think we come much lower than that. Maybe 260. But I think that that's where we're headed. Gold is getting waylaid again. My bots have been on since 6 a.m. Eastern. The Nasdaq 3-minute has taken 2 trades in that time. Winner, first target only on the long, and a winner, first target only on the short. Although the short is still working, it did come within a few ticks. Here, I'll just show you. So we got this trade here, guys, at 6:57 or 7 o'clock, first target only. And then this trade here at 7:27, first target and just missed second. My bots are currently down $245. The way that I have my ATM structured is 1 contract off at target 1 and 2 contracts off at target 2. Consequently, both runners were taken out. Bonds are bid. 10-year yield is falling, to be expected. I would expect a bid back in gold. 38 area support all the way down to 33. Good morning, Brian. ES looks like it just traded up from 14 at 7:45 back up to 20 and now is working back down probably to 14. Yeah, I don't run a YM bot. Victor. I don't have YM. I don't trade it. I don't have a YM bot. Nasdaq's coming down to 300, fellas. And I think lower. I think 292, 288, 277. We could come down to 250. I don't have a trade yet, but that's what I see. In any event, guys, we're here. For those of you that are on trial, or if you're a newer member, you've obviously heard me say this, whether you've heard it on trial or you've heard it in the room. On Fridays, I don't tend to do a lot of trades. My goal is to make money and get gone. For those that are in the order flow group, that would be order flow group number 1. Number 1. I have sent the link for class today. You guys should all have it. If for some reason you do not, you need to email me. If you guys are in order flow group number 2, which met yesterday, Chris, you're in the second group. You shouldn't, or maybe, no, you're in the first group. Yeah. If you guys are in the second group, which met yesterday, yes, you're in the first. I have sent the video. I've seen in Skype that a few of you have not received that video. You need to email me. Please don't put it in Skype. That Skype is reserved for bot only. It's not meant for conversation, politics, etc. So please email me if you do not have the video from yesterday. I will send it post haste as soon as the room is closed. So we have no news. We do have crude at 11. I do not anticipate being here, but we never know. Let me quickly read the disclaimer and we will get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend any more or any less credence to that trade. Please trade according to your accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So the plan for today, guys, we're going to do our best to make money today. I'm pending there at 41.4. We're going to do our best to make money today. Maybe around 10:30, quarter to 11, I'll do a small presentation for you guys that are on trial that may have an interest in joining us. If you guys have not seen what you needed to see so far this week, I don't think I have anything in the bag for you. Come on, gold. Lower high again. If we keep that lower low, we're good. My preference would be to plop down and get that unfinished auction out of the way. which if we get one more candle in here, a 15 range candle, we probably will. We have no real news today. We have block sellers here. We got a 55 contract seller. Somebody sold 55 cars. You can close that long.
Order canceled.
Dollar index is up today. I don't know why. Here is gold on a daily chart. I mean, this is a trend line on a weekly chart. This blue line here, that's a weekly trend line. I mean, we could come back into 18, 17, 20 area. Still all sell pressure. They're setting up, we're setting up to pop. Somebody bought 82 contracts here on the ES at 38.20. No, I don't. 52 contract buyer, 100 contract buyer, and 73. Those are single trades. Crude's down here on the bottom. Let me take a look at CL. Gold is kind of just, and here's natural gas, which is inventory today. We do have buyers in natural gas. This should be a trade up to probably 61, 62. No, why would I have it on sell only, Don? I'm curious. Because the market is selling, so price only goes down? No, I don't have it on sell only. We're going to get a bounce. Guys, the market moves in waves. I mean, short of some kind of crazy news. All right, let's come get this auction. Couple ticks shy of that auction. I don't think we're far from a long, so pay attention. I want that auction hit. I want it out of there. Come on, a couple ticks. There it is. It's gone. We could come to 35. All right, this may be where we bounce. All right, I'm going to try a long on gold. I'm watching this. I'm looking for buyers. Don't have them yet. There's some buyers here, 37.2. And there's some buyers here at 37.4. This could rip down to 34. Got some buyers in here, here, and here. We got some buyers. All right, guys. We're trying. If we get back up through 39 half. 39 half. I don't have an unfinished auction up there. Doesn't mean there isn't one, but I don't have it. Doesn't matter the time I would see it. It would extend all the way over. I don't have one. It could just be the difference in our data. Gonna have to get through 40.1, 40.7, and 41.3. My first target is going to be 41.2. My stop is going to be 36 half. They're buying a few back. We're getting some buying in here. Right in here. This looks like it's going to go lower. I will surely look at 35 half down to 34. Okay, Ray. Well, it doesn't look good on a daily either. Here's the daily. That's a daily gold. Doesn't look good here either. You guys can close that. We're getting ready to slingshot back up. Well, there's another one coming. Small one down in here. I don't think we're coming a whole lot further. This is going to bounce back to 38.2. I think 35.5 holds. I'm going to take a long, guys. I took a long here. Got to come through here, 95. 39.3 is, I think, a decent first target. 39.3. Come on, dog. One more candle and it's good. Come on. We're trying to creep through that 95 area. Oversold. Working through that stack seller imbalance on the left. Right here. Come on, jump. You stink. If you guys want to take some ticks, your prerogative. Still putting in lower highs here. When we slingshot through, this is going to go. This is going to go bonkers. If we can get a 5-minute candle close, minute and a half, above 38.8, this is going to go. Now, again, if you guys want ticks, feel free to take them. Man, I sent out the links. This is so annoying. I sent out the links to everybody individually as well as via benchmark email. I don't know why you guys don't get them. Yeah, I mean, this is a tricky little trade here, right? For sure. We got 105 buyers in this candle. Daily, obviously. Yeah, so some guys got it twice. Some guys didn't get it. It just goofy. All right, guys. We're not going to go. We're not going to go. My stop, small loss. If it hits, it hits. And I'll get it on the next move. See how we're pulling this lower? We're getting ready to slingshot through. This may take me here. That's fine. But we're getting close to going back up. I don't think this breaks 35 half. This may have another 10, 15 ticks to the downside, but it isn't much. It's 12 tick stop. That's all I'm giving it. 12 ticks. Nasdaq is working a little bit lower as well. Small selling pressure, 20 contracts. It's going to hit that bottom again. More sellers. Okay, out 12 ticks. It's not coming far. God darn it. One tick the low. Right back to entry. This is going to go, guys. Well, I mean, listen, I know my stop is awfully tight. I'll get it. I lost 12 ticks. Nasdaq's coming down to 300, fellas, and then going to come down to 92. If anybody wants to try a Nasdaq short, it is awfully slow. Your stop is 21. Look at this. You stink. I'm going to take this long again.
Order filled.
43 first target, 42 half. Got to come through the swing here. We just did. And then get through 41.3. Got to get through 47, 40.7, 41.3. Losing buyers again. Come on. There we go. Got back what I just lost. Now if we get to target, there you go. Lost 360. It's now up 560. I was a little early. 710. Lost 360. Doubled. Come on. Don't be a chump. 42.5 should be good. You want to go 4. I'm going to adjust it 1 tick to 4. If you want to take some risk off, take some risk off. You want to take some risk off, take some risk off. This should have gone to half. I'm at 4. This thing went 42.1. Golly. All right, I'm on the close button. Come on, buyers. Give me buyers. I'm out. I'm out. Net positive small. Should have gone to target. Should have gone to 42.5, 42.6. May still. But I'm not. I'm out. Yeah, we really should have traded up into here and higher. I'm going to get this gold, and we're going to get it back to VWAP. It's all right. No blood. 2 trades, no blood. This is going to go. You got me again. 2 days in a row. Methinks this is going to go, fellas. If anybody is still holding. We're pulling that 68 lower as well. Is there anybody still holding gold? You probably want your stop 38.3. Yeah, but not often, Ray. Not often. I think Nasdaq's coming down. I just think we're so damn slow. That's why hey, Mark, good morning. So I'm staying away from the Nasdaq. There's just no movement in it. But I think we're coming down to 300. And then 292, 288, 277. I really like the long run 250 if we can get there. I don't know that we can or can't, but 250 is, I think, a nice long. What do you mean if you close bot? Explain that. Huh? Is that 250 by way of 261? I'm not sure what you're asking. I don't know what that means. Well, I mean, I have downside levels. Yeah, just shut your bot off. If the bot is in a trade and you want to shut it off, the trade doesn't close, if that's what you're asking. Yeah, I think we can get down to 260, 250 area. It's a really sloppy morning here, fellas, so far. This, to me, we could come back and test here, but we're setting up to go longs on gold. Neil, I got your email. I don't help set up these charts on the screen. That's not something I do. All they are is 15 and 30 range charts. Set up 30 range charts. I mean, I can tell you how to do it, but you guys should know how to build a chart. Now gold is chunking around. Silver is going to go too. If anybody is interested in silver, silver's going to go. They have a target at VWAP. Here comes this stupid gold. 19 half. I'm not looking at ES. I was looking at crude. Yeah, I had a 7.5, 19.75. If you can get above 22, you got it. This could be a nice trade. Gold is turning up on the 3-minute bot. This is going to go, fellas. 45 is your next target if anybody is still in it. 45 on gold. Crude is turning up. Yeah, I like silver. Gold's good. They're going to go together, James. I like that silver long. There goes your silver. Let me take a look at silver. I'll give you targets on silver. Let me just look at a time frame here. 385, 380 on silver. 380 is a target. Right about there. There goes gold. There it goes. Yeah. Gold is going to 45, fellas. 45. I'm not in it, but it's going to 45. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. Needed a little more go-go juice. What a boring trade. ES support is about 19. Dollar's trying to pull back a bit. Silver has to snap 310. Again, guys, if you're here on trial, good morning. Nice job, Ray. Made your daily goal up 1,000 for the week. Nice job. Your day is done. Hit them straight. As does mine, Craig. Guys, it's really slow price action this morning. Really slow.
Order filled.
There goes gold. Come on, silver. Pump it up. Let's go, gold. Target is 45. 45. And then VWAP. See what the hell is. I mean, silver, silver is not for the faint of heart or the small account guy. That's for sure. Come on, gold, pop above 42.8. I like silver, guy. I mean, I've had some monster trades in silver. I've also had some disasters. They call natural gas the widowmaker. I think they got it wrong. Yeah, silver is. What is the margin for YM? I think it's $1,000, but I don't know because I don't trade it. LCL is not anywhere near as bad as silver. And lean hogs, Chris, let me tell you about lean hogs. I think the worst, I can tell you the quickest loss I ever had. There you go. Booyah, baby. 45, fellas. 45. Next target. 45. And then we go 51-2 area. I traded lean hogs for a very short while. And I took a trade in lean hogs. This is a real trade, not a sim trade. I had a trade on, and I had 8 contracts on. And all I heard was order filled. And in less than 30 seconds, I heard stop fill. that was it. I was done trading lean hogs. Done. Finito. It's too thin. I mean, it was a huge loss. Huge.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Gold is long in the 3-minute bot. So is the Nasdaq. Sugar's easy. Sugar doesn't move. I used to trade sugar a lot in the room. Sugar does barely move. That's why I stopped trading it. In the old pit trading, the worst thieves were in the meat. I love cattle, but nobody wants to trade cattle. Yeah, I don't trade it, Greg. I don't trade it. It's of no interest to me. It's too damn slow. For me. Margin can vary by broker, but typically 25. Yeah, silver's $2,500, $1,000 for CL, $2,000 for gold, $1,000 for NQ. Those are all right. Oh, $500 for YM and ES. Greg, $500. I'm being told for YM. This may not be helping. Oh, you suck face. You're within about 4 ticks of that first target. All gold did was run into a trend line here. A trend line. Bum, 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 bum. Come on, let's go, gold. Go get 45. Gold's problem right now is 15-minute resistance. Up 1,080 on GC 3 contracts. Nice job, David. Nice job. Come on, Nasdaq. Let me take a look at. Yeah, silver should get to 380. It should get that target. And gold should get 45. And above that, 49. Nasdaq has a 5-minute trend line it has to break through at about, I mean, there's just nothing in this Nasdaq. 23, 24, then it goes 27, 28, 35, could go 48, and then 53. It's got to get through a little bit of a trend line right here. It is through. I just need a 5-minute candle close here on Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq, go get that target. Gold is pushing resistance here at 44, but if we can get a close above 44, 45, gold is going to 51. Gold is going to 1851. Nasdaq should get to 40, but again, it's slow, guys. We're really slow. There's no oomph anywhere. Let me take a look at the VIX. Guys, I'm going to let them trade. Whatever they do, they do. Remember tomorrow's education with Dean? Dow futures currently down 228. S&P off 26 handles. Nasdaq's off 73. Russell's off 24. Russell's leading the way lower. VIX futures are actually up 3.25%, and VIX cash is up 8%. It's 9 o'clock, guys, and we are quiet as a church. Buyers coming back in here in gold. Come on, gold. Buyers back in silver. Job killer Joe. First 2 days in office, he's done a number, hasn't he? Come on, let's go. It is painful to watch. Yes, he is, James. Yep. And we've only seen a couple days of it. Come on, Nasdaq, get that first target. Let's go. It's almost there, fellas. Yep. We're going to go back to depending on the Middle East for oil. Get ready to pay more money for oil. Look at this Nasdaq. I think we came within a tick. There's first target on Nasdaq, fellas. First target on Nasdaq hit and filled. One contract is off. I've got two at second target at 37.5. Yep. Next entry on ES is right here at 23.50. You could trade it to 28. So again, for you trial members, I will not be sending a video out today. Well, I mean, you can't, as traders, you can't get fixated on a position. If your bias is short and you take a short and it flips into a long, then you have to flip into the long. I mean, I don't care if they go up or down as long as they move. But when they're this damn slow, this is just pathetic. These are tough trades. I'll probably kill this gold trade. I don't care if it ends up a winner. If it can get through 44, it's going to go, it'll go right through here, 44.1. Have net buyers in the candle. But it looks like it's trying to build a bit of a bull flag. As I was saying, for my trial members, I will not be sending an email today, nor will I be sending a video. I do post to YouTube and Vimeo every day. All right, that's it for me on gold. That's as much as I'm giving it. Either goes or it doesn't. Gold to me looks long, but the real stop is 38.5. If anybody wants to keep gold, it's 38.5, which is right where the bot has placed it. That is your stop, 38.5. Nasdaq's only negative delta now, 400 contracts. I mean, they're buying them. Okay, out on gold. Morning, Johan. I do not. Well, the real stop on gold is 38.4. I'm not willing to. I'm not willing to let it go there. Yeah, you guys can go eat. I'm going to take my breakfast break. Whatever this trade does, it does. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Looks like second target's been hit. Victor, there are 2 3-minute robots. There is one that you have with 14-minute filter, which takes very few trades. And then there is the one that I just showed, which is what we trade mostly daily. So log back into the member area and build that other chart. Guys, at this point, the bots are down $175. No, Greg Dean is going to go over bots, trading of the bots based on his failings. So it is about the bots. It's in a group, seminar, but it's regarding the bots. Right off 59, guys, for 30 handles. It's coming down to 20. If you're short Nasdaq, it's coming down to 20. Come on, 20. Let's go. Maybe 22. All right, I closed it. Now I got an ATM on. Nice job, John. One and done. Nice job. Anybody take that 59? Anybody take that 59? Other than John and Chris? I'm not watching gold. Nice job, Mike. You took the ride up. Okay. Anybody take it up? You got it up and down. Nice job, Susan. One and done. It's the way to do it. Like your MTV. I just missed my long. Nasdaq. What the heck? Why? It's twice without an ATM. Let me turn it off and back on. Now I should have an ATM. Guys, in order for this to get up to 80, we're going to need a 5-minute close above 60. There you go, Paul. One and done as well. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. This is going to take out the high. You got 400 buyers in this candle. This is going to take out the high, man. It's all buyers right now. If they sell these off, fellas, it isn't going to come back very far. And I'm going to tell you why. Next week is big tech earnings. You think anybody's selling this ahead of Tesla or anything like that? You're crazy. Not happening. Not gonna do it. All right, fellas, if we break above 60, she's going to keep going. Yeah, I get lucky, Chris. Back into this 39.40 maybe. Gold. It's going to 45. Remember I said that earlier? You got to have patience. I don't have the patience to sit in the trade for an hour and a half. Crude inventories today. YM is being stupid quiet. If we break out over 60, 61, let me see what that is. 62 maybe. 1,000 buyers, guys. I think we're going long. And we failed again. Do you believe this? All right, guys. I do have a long on the ES on the Uniranko. Hang on. You can believe this. My damn Dom is frozen. There goes Nasdaq. 79 next target. 79. 79. Seven nine. It is really pissing me. My Dom is frozen at 60 half on the Nasdaq. I would have been long. 79 next target. Gold has hit my 45. Gold is going 49 and 51 if anybody is long gold. God dang it. Now we're going 90. We're going 89, fellas. Anybody long Nasdaq? We're going 89. Nice job, Ryan. Anybody long Nasdaq? There's 79 target. Okay, here's the S. This will be the last bot trade, fellas. If this goes to target, it'll be done. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to take 2 at target 1 and 1 at target 2. There's 49 on gold. Still think it goes higher. Guys, monster trades. Just belligerent trades. It's going to 89. We're going to make 13,398. 398. 398. We're going 398, fellas. Cannot believe my damn Dom. There's first target on the ES.
Target filled.
Oh, I guess I did 1, 1, and 1. I don't know why I would have that. That's it.
Target filled.
My bots are done and off for the day. Up 1155. Done. Done and done. Bots are done for the day. 1155. Done.
Order submitted.
Guys, we're going 98. We're going 98. We're going 89, 98. Come on, let's go, Nasdaq. Let's go 89. 89 and then 98. Come on, buddy. Pump it up. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's go. 2,300 buyers. I don't think we're looking for shorts here, guys.
Order submitted.
Small sellers in here. Come on, Nasdaq. Got to take out 86, 87. And 10 sellers in here. Come on.
Order canceled.
Come on, 98. Let's go. Got to take this right here. We go 98. Come on, take out that high. Here we go. Can't get through yet.
Target.
Here we go. Here comes 89. Come on, you dog. How about this gold, fellas? Next target up on gold. If it gets above 49.8, it goes 51.5. 51.5. Anybody still holding Nasdaq? Toe the line, fellas. Toe the line. You still holding Nasdaq? Anybody in Nasdaq? 89 target hit. Boo, yeah. 89 hit. Next target up. Next target up. 97. 96. 96. And then 97, 98 area, 99. We could fail. We could fail just below that 98 area. Still have buyers, 2,300. We're pushing this second standard deviation is all we're doing. We get a candle close above this and it's off to the races. We could get 418 today. Okay. I don't know that I'd be looking to short. You might want to rethink that position. We get one more 30 range candle and this thing's going to scream. Scream. Come on. You're almost there. Look at silver. Back to VWAP. Boom. Fellas, my bots are off. Done and off. I'll be right back, guys. Right back. I'm back, guys. Okay, John. We got 89. See if we can get a pullback to 58. I don't know that we can. We've down to 1,800 buyers. $59.60 is now what? Support, right? Support. It is ES. Good Lord. I'm watching it. It's coming. It's coming. Got 2,000 buyers. I am not interested in shorts. Next target up is 98.5. Maybe 97. You cannot even think about a short unless you're trying for 5, 6, 7 handles kind of thing. Not for me. Come on, get above 90 and it goes. Whatever that. Here it comes, fellas. Next 15-minute candle in 1 minute and 14 seconds, and that should be your impetus. Is what I'm guessing. Next 15-minute candle, this thing's just going to rip. Gold headed to 51.5. 51.5. How about that gold trade? 51.5, guys. Come on, Nasdaq. Here we go, fellas. Next 15-minute candle is in 14, 13, 12 seconds. And that should be the one. That's how I see it. 2,100 net buyers. There it is, 15-minute candle. Come on. Come on. Median home price in December, just under 310,000. Inventory at 1.9 months. Maybe it's a good time to sell my house. Where is silver going, huh? I'll take a look. 9.8's your target, fellas, on Nasdaq. Anybody waiting at 9.8? Hang on, John. James, I'm trying to. $650, $640. $1,000 trade on gold. Nice job, Ryan. Nice job. Come on, Nasdaq. Seriously? And we got a little bit of a higher high, but we're getting a pullback on huge selling of 14 contracts, 45 contracts, 40 contracts. Again, I would not be looking for shorts. Unless this breaks down below 69, I would have no interest in shorts. Got buyers back in. Gold hit 51.5. Next target is 53.8. Anybody still holding gold? 53.8 if you're holding gold. All right, now let me take a look at silver. Next level on silver is 585, James. 585. Going to get some resistance at 585. So that's your next target. Right about there, give or take. Come on, Nasdaq. Yeah, bonds are dumping. Or at least pulling back. Existing home sales was a beat. Support right in here. We're sitting on a mountain of support. We do have a few hundred sellers in here, some profit taking. Consolidation up here after this pretty nice move up from pre-market. 53.8 next level up on gold. 53.8. 53.8. Nice job, John. Nice week. Gold is actually turning up now on the 15-minute. Going higher on GC, fellas. Higher on GC. We're right in the middle of this current 15-minute candle on the Nasdaq. Trying to bid here. Buyers coming back in. They sold 132 contracts this prior candle close. We bought back 60 of them already. If you guys want to short the ES, you can short the ES here, 34.50. Stop loss is 38, 34.50 with a 35 with a 38. 28 half, target one. Come on, Nasdaq. Break up out of this wedge. We're just trading in this channel. That's what I see. I'm not taking the trade, but that's what I see. It's not a trade I'm taking. 35.50, 36, 34.50. This area looks to me like a small short with a 38 half stop. I am not taking the trade. I want this damn Nasdaq to go to 98. It should go, guys. It should go. We got 2,000 buyers, 2,100 buyers. We broke out of this channel. We're fighting this again. Same resistance. There we go. 98. Anybody sitting at 98? Anybody waiting at 98? Okay, fellas. I still think we're going to get it. 96 quarter. Okay. Something about a full vote in the Senate. I didn't hear what it was for. Nor frankly do I care. Russell's pulling back a bit. I mean, the NQ is hanging in here, fellas. Next 15-minute candle is in about 4 minutes. If anybody shorted the ES, you're in the money. First target is 28. McConnell's a working piece of dog dung. I'm with you. That's okay. That's okay. Nikki Haley. Guys, you can move your stop on the ES to 33. 33 on the ES, those of you that are short. 28 is your first target. We got 29.75. All right, guys.
Order submitted.
Are you kidding me? 61.75. We may get it on this push. My first target will be 6.9 if this fills. Target 1 is 6.9. Held again. Stop is 45. You got to be jamming me. We just stopped it again. Look at this. By 3 ticks, we missed this entry. We could come all the way down to 53, but I think that 59 is going to stop at first. 60. We hit it to the tick. One contract traded there. One contract. No, you did not. Hit it to the tick. Hit it to the damn tick. 69's target 1.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
What ace? First target 68, 50, 69. Are you long? Nobody could have gotten filled unless you front ran it. Only traded one contract. Oh. I'm not even looking. Let's see here. ES came to 29. What a dog-faced dog. What an absolute dog-faced dog. Get hit to the tick and no fill. Anybody filled? Anybody get filled? I don't think anybody. Oh, you got filled, Johan? Okay. All right, a few guys did. Well, 69 is target 1. Stop was 45. Come on, get above 58. Let's go. It's got to get above 58 quarter. I'm really shocked this came down below 59. Come on. 12 minutes of selling. Well, looks like they're going to get that one. I guess now we could come to 39. Yeah, they're beating them pretty good now. I'm not sure. There's no news. That's the bottom of the range. Now it's bouncing. Look at this rat dog. Off 39. Still 1,000 net buyers. Next candle in 22 seconds. This comes back up through VWAP at 55. Watch for buyers back through VWAP. All right, Ray. See you Monday.
Order submit order filled.
Come on. Let's go, Nasdaq. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Come on. Go to 6. It'll get to that 69 now.
Order filled.
I sent it already, Don. It was sent this morning. Please check your emails. Ken's was in spam. Check your emails, Don. Guys, give me 1 minute if you would. All right, guys, I'm back. Buying them right back. What a rat. Belgium to ban leisure travel. Well, you got first target on that ES trade to 28. Came all the way down to 23. I wasn't watching it. But you got your first target and then manage your runner as guys, I'll go another 10 minutes or so. And then we'll wrap it up. Nice job. $900 on the ES trade. Nice job, Joe. Way past your daily goal. Nice job, Josh. See you Monday. Guys, don't forget, Dean is doing education on Saturday. I strongly recommend it. It will accelerate your learning curve on the bots. Give you an idea of how to trade them, utilize them, best times to trade, days to trade, instruments to trade. Well, Terry, that's the problem with cherry picking. That's the problem with cherry picking. Yes, Greg, I will. So I gave an ES short, which I didn't take. Nice job. Thokina, nice job. Up 775. Great job. That's the problem, Terry, with cherry picking. And a lot of traders do that, right? What happens is you try to align what you see with what I'm seeing. And if I see something that you see, you'll take the trade. If I see something that is different than what you see, you'll pass on the trade. So consequently, you passed on a huge ES trade. I don't really trade the ES. That's why I didn't take the trade. Passed on a huge ES trade. Passed on an astronomical, staggering, humongous gold trade. Passed on the Nasdaq long, and then took the short. And that was the one losing trade. It's a common problem. It's a common problem. Still have 1,300 buyers, guys, hovering below VWAP, which is interesting, which leads me to believe they're going to sell some more of these back. But, well, and again, YM, which I do not trade or care to ever trade, over the last 125 trade sessions is up 23,105. And last but not least is the ES on the 15-minute over the last 47 trade sessions is up 11,279. Okay. Your total is over 200,000. Okay. These are based on 3 mini contracts. Okay. I just want you to see what the bots have done. That's over the long haul. For the week, we're up about 6,600 in a 4-day week. Here are your options, guys, to become members. I've shown this earlier in the week. Pay attention. Unless someone notifies me beforehand. This pricing is only good through 5 p.m. today. After 5 p.m. today, we would still love to have you add $1,000 to the bot purchase. Thank you, Rick. The robot is discounted to $24.97 from $34.97. Again, after today, it is $34.97. You guys can trial 10 more times. The discount expires today. I'm being facetious on the 10 more trials, but you will get 3 months in the trade room. So you have 3 months trade room access. No additional charge. At the end of 3 months, if you decide you want to stick around, it's $199 a month. Permanent access to the member area, and I will show you the member area, and permanent access to member Skype. The robot can be purchased directly off the website for $24.97. TargetsTradingPro.com. There's a PayPal button. You can purchase it right off the website. There is a watered down version of the bot, which I call Bot Lite. Some of you may be interested in owning a single use bot. So for instance, let's say you only want to trade the Nasdaq. Okay? I only want to trade the Nasdaq. I don't care about gold. I don't care about YM. I don't see any benefit in making $200,000 a year. I only want to trade Nasdaq. Okay. We have an option for that. And your option for that is a single-use robot. That single-use robot is $997. That will allow you to trade the micro or mini in, say, the Nasdaq or the ES or gold, whatever. But it is a single-use robot. Now, the one advantage to that is if at some point in the future you would like to upgrade to the full version, you will get full credit for the $997. Okay? That will also allow for 3 months in the trade room, access to member Skype, access to the member area. It's just a single-use robot. These next two memberships, if you are interested in one of these two, you will need to email me for a PayPal invoice. They're not on the site. The annual membership gives you the robot and 12 months in the room. So there's a discount. There's a break on the room, basically. Some of you may have already decided, look, I want to be in the room. I may not be interested in actually learning to trade, but I want to take advantage of Bob's trades. I've seen what he's done all week. I don't care to learn to trade. I just want to follow. The annual membership is $34.97. After 5 p.m. today, it is $39.97. Okay, $39.97. Lastly is the order flow membership. Some of you may have decided you actually want to learn to trade and see trades as I see them based on order flow. That membership is $49.97. After 5 p.m. today, it is $59.97. 2 years in the trade room. So you have 2 years, 24 months in the room. It will include both the robot full version as well as my order flow indicator, which I've shown throughout the week. I do education 1 time a week on Thursdays at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Those sessions are recorded and then sent to the members. If you can't attend, you get the recording. And even if you do attend, you still get the recording. You have your own library of how to trade or how I trade order flow. You have permanent access to the member area, permanent access to member Skype as well. Options 2 and 3, you will need to send me an email and say, hey, I'm interested in option 2 or I'm interested in option 3. And as well, if you're interested in the single-use robot for $997, you will have to email me and tell me that. I'm only interested in the single-use robot. Please invoice me. Does anybody have any questions on that? Any questions, fellas? Trial members, speak now or forever hold your peace. If you guys can find a better room or a room that makes more money, please let me know because I'll take their trades. I'll join. Okay. Last but not least,